Here's the question. X squared plus 6x minus 5, that's f of x. Express f in standard form. Find the vertex, x and y-intercepts, and then the domain and range. So the question, I'll write the answers in here. I'll do the work on the second board. And I think I already might have some work on there, so I'll have to delete that stuff. It might give you a preview of what's coming. But let me just delete it. And first of all, it asks for the for standard form. Well, standard form just equals a constant. So x squared plus 6x minus 5 equals 0. So that's standard form. X squared plus 6x minus 5 equals 0. So that's that. Now, find the vertex. Well, for vertex, I'm going to take that equation, x squared plus 6x minus 5 equals 0. And remember, this is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And the x-coordinate of the vertex is negative b. That's the dead spot of my screen. Negative b over 2a. Well, if b is 6, it's negative 6, and a is 1, over 2 times 1 is 2, is negative 3. And then to get the y-coordinate, I'll plug that negative 3 back into the equation. Negative 3 squared is 9, plus 6 times negative 3, negative 18, minus 5, and that equals negative 14. So negative 3, negative 14. I need to get back to board 1. Negative 3, negative 14. Now I need the x-intercepts and y-intercepts. I'll do y-intercepts first. Y-intercept is when x is 0. So 0 squared is 0, plus 6 times 0 is 0, minus 5 is minus 5. So this is going to be 0 minus 5. I just plugged in 0 for x. 0 minus 5. So this is 0 minus 5. I guess I'll do the domain and range. The domain is all real values. So it's negative infinity to infinity. And since this thing is shaped like a U, the vertex is the lowest value. Well, the y value of the vertex, the y, is negative 14. So the range, and that's a square bracket because it includes negative 14 to infinity. Now find the x-intercepts. I will solve this for x. I need numbers that multiply to negative 5 and add to 6. Won't find them, but I can use a quadratic equation. Negative b is 6, so negative 6 plus or minus the square root of b squared, 6 squared, which is 36. I don't know why I'm getting that squeaking when I write. 36 minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is minus 5. All over 2a. A is 1, 2 times 1 is 2. So I need this room down here, so we've already written that one in. Negative 6 over 2 is negative 3. Plus or minus, this will be divided by 2. 36. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 5 is 20. 36 plus 20 is 56. So negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 56. And I can break 56. I can get a perfect square factor there. 4 times 14. So this is really negative 3, and the square root of 4 is 2, and I'm taking it out of that square root. So it's negative 3 plus or minus 2, square root of 14 over 2, which the 2's just cancel. So it's negative 3 plus or minus square root of 14. And the y-coordinate is going to be 0. So I'll write those in. 3 minus the square root of 14, 0, and 3 plus the square root of 14, comma, 0. And I think I've answered all of their questions. They should be satisfied now.